Before now, I never saw it as anything to actually take care of my skin, smell good and smell nice. I never saw it as anything. I can just throw on my clothes and go about my day. As a mom that I am, I have 3 kids, and it's already overwhelming to take care of the kids and also take care of yourself. I can stay from morning till evening before taking a good bath, and for that, it affected my skin, and it actually affected my mental health, because if I look at myself in the mirror, I'll be like, why am I like this? Why am I looking so dull? Why is my skin so dull? Why am I not looking nice? I didn't know that I was actually doing myself. But for the past 2 years, I started being intentional about my looks, how I smell, my hygiene. Trust me, it has been a game changer for me since then. And I'm sure it's also going to help you if I share these tips with you. Let's dive in together. So the first step to smelling good, obviously, is showering the right way. Yes, there's a right way to shower. Before now, you'll see me, I'll just, because I'm always busy, I'm a mom, I'm always all over the place thinking of what to do for my kids. I want to take my bath. I don't even want anything that will stress me. I will just quickly grab any soap, just scrub all over my body, and I'm good. But ever since I started being intentional about how I smell and how I look, my personal hygiene, I have learned that showering the right way is the way to go. Just rinsing your body, that quick rinse is not going to help you. It's not going to really clean your skin. You have to take your time to shower. Even if you want to go out, you have a busy day, or you are a working mom, you can still work it out by waking up earlier than your usual time of waking up, just to take extra time for yourself and take care of yourself. Also, it's very important to use the right products that will work for your skin type to cleanse your skin. Remember, we are talking about how to smell good, so you don't want to be using anyhow products. There is this particular soap, I can't remember the name right now, that I normally use them. Whenever I finish using this soap, it's as if I multiplied body odor on my skin, on my body. And you don't want that if you know you want to smell good. Be careful the kind of body wash or even bar soaps that you get for cleaning your skin, okay? So when you want to get body wash or a bar soap, make sure it's a gentle, hydrating body wash or bar soap, okay? For me, I love good scent. This is the one I'm currently using, the St. Ives Hydrating Body Wash in coconut water and orchid. This body wash smells so nice. There's another one, the mandarin orange, something like that. I'll try and leave a picture on the screen. I love this body wash so much. I love the scent. It smells so nice. Get a good body wash or a good bar soap. Dove has different nice bar soaps. St. Ives also have different nice bar soaps as well, okay? They are soothing and mild. They are not strong fragrances, okay? So you also have to get body washes that don't have strong fragrances, okay? Just get body washes that will help to blend with your natural scent. The second tip is for you to moisturize your skin. And when you want to moisturize your skin, make sure to get a good moisturizing lotion that has good scent as well, that smells so nice as well, because hydrated skin is the key to maintaining a fresh, pleasant scent. When you have dry skin, it can trap odor, but when you have a well moisturized, hydrated, smooth skin, it actually makes your natural fragrance to shine through. So when choosing a body lotion, choose a body lotion that has subtle fragrance like coconut, almond, rose, and the likes, okay? This is really going to help to blend with your natural fragrance and make you smell good all day. Example of the body lotion that you can get is this Dr. Teal's body lotion. It contains cocoa butter, shea butter, vitamin E. I love this body lotion. The only thing about this body lotion is that it's not really moisturizing, which is why I pair it with a body oil to help bring out that glow and make me look so moisturized and well hydrated. The third tip is for you to layer your fragrance. This is something that I never thought of or ever tried to do. For me, what I normally do is when I'm done in the bathroom, I will just go in with my body lotion. I'll just go in with my body lotion. When I'm done applying my body lotion, I'll go ahead to use my body mist. I love this I love this Last Giddy Vanilla Crush. I love it so much. I just spray it all over my body, and whenever I do this, I smell so good. My room smells so fresh, so clean, so good, so beautiful. In fact, I don't know how to put it. Or if I don't want to use this, I'll go ahead to use this Confetti in Pretty. This is a body spray, while this is a body mist. I either use this or I use this. Some days I use the two, depending on my mood and the kind of scent I'm going for. When I'm done with that, I go ahead to put on my roll-on, or this one right here, this Dove Nourishing Secret Restoring Rituals Antiperspirant. I can go in with this on my armpits, go in with this on my armpits, You know, believe me, when I started doing this thing, I never want to go back. And this is to forever. I'm not going back. Instead, I keep going forward and higher. When I'm done with this, I can now go ahead to spray my perfume on my clothes. Okay, I spray my perfumes on my clothes. I don't spray it on my body, except is to spray it here or behind my ears. So the next tip is for you to not skip deodorant or antiperspirants. Okay, for me, this is one I'm currently using. Where is the other one? Okay, this is the one I'm currently using. I use this Dove Nourishing Secret and this Nivea Dry Comfort. When I'm very busy, I really sweat a lot on my armpits, so this one actually helped me. This Dry Comfort actually helped me battle with sweat. This actually helps to prevent sweat from mixing with bacteria to cause body odor. Yes, because it's actually bacteria that causes body odor. So when you use this or you use this, it actually helps to battle that bacteria. This one is non-negotiable. Don't say no, I cannot use this one, let me use only the body mist and the body spray. No, either you get this one or you get this one. Anyone that you can afford, you can get either of these ones. Okay, next tip is for you to wear fresh clothes. This one I'm actually talking to myself, my old self, because before now I can wear one top like 3 times, 4 times, as long as I'm not seeing any stain. I will still wear it. I will still wear it. This something actually happened just this Sunday that just passed. I went to church. It was this guy that just, ushers will be showing you where to sit, and this guy just sat close to me, and God, the odor was not actually from his body, it was from the cloth that he was putting on. Oh my goodness, I don't even know where to keep my nose. At a point, I had to stand up from there and move to another seat because the odor was too much. There's this funky odor that you perceive from a cloth that is either not properly dried or clothes that has been worn several times and it has not been washed. That is the kind of odor I was perceiving, and I could not even concentrate and worship God. I was, in fact, uncomfortable. Please, I'm begging in the name of God, wear fresh clothes. Even if it's one cloth that you have, when you wear it, remove it, wash it, dry it, wear it again. Don't say because I have one shirt, I have one top, I have one trouser, you have to wear it repeatedly for like 10 times before actually washing it. You might not perceive the odor, but another person will be perceiving. When you get close to someone, the person will be perceiving that odor. Trust me, believe me, that guy will not even know that his clothes is smelling. He won't know. So please, we don't need it this 2025. We don't need it this 2025. Wear fresh clothes. After washing your clothes, make sure that it's completely dry before wearing them, because damp clothes can actually harbor bacteria. And that bacteria, before you know it, it will start smelling. And you don't want that, right? Please, I don't want to perceive any odor. Another tip I will give you under washing your clothes is for you to get soaps like this. Like this Viva Plus soap is very nice. I have been using this soap for months now, and I can tell you this soap is very nice. It smells so good. I love to use this one if I want to wash my clothes. That is, if I'm not using my washing machine, or I use this one. I love this one as well. This Fizz multi-purpose soap. I love this one as well. I use this to wash my clothes and they always stay fresh and smell nice. Okay. Then if I'm using my washing machine to wash my clothes, I use this Good Mama Lemon Fresh. I love this one very much. It actually keeps my clothes clean, fresh, smelling nice. I love to use this one as well. Okay, if I know that I'm using my washing machine to wash some of my clothes, I love to use this Good Mama Lemon Fresh. Don't want any unpleasant odor, please try and wash your clothes with good soap, good detergent, keep it fresh, allow it to dry completely before you put it on, please. And when you want to pack your clothes, pack it properly, fold your clothes properly. Sometimes open your wardrobe so fresh air can go in. Next tip is for you to actually keep your foot clean, fresh. Your feet is as important as you taking care of your face. Yes, do your pedicure, soak your foot, scrub your foot, apply moisturizer to keep your feet moisturized, so that when you want to take off your shoe or take off your socks, your feet, there will be no odor coming out from there. Everywhere will be smelling nice. I use this to scrub my feet, and it actually helps a lot. I don't just moisturize upwards, I moisturize every part of my body, every part, in, out, every part of my body. I moisturize my feet with my body lotion and also body oil. Everywhere have to be fresh and beautiful and clean. Okay, so here are some extra tips for you. Okay, always stay hydrated. Water is life. water is good to your skin. Water is good to your overall health. Water will help to detoxify your body, your skin. Always drink lots of water. Also learn to exercise so you can, detoxify your body, your skin from all those toxins. This will actually help your overall health. Next is for you to keep freshening up during the day. If you are going out, always make sure to go out with your deodorant or your body mist, perfume, or your body spray. And also always make sure to carry wet wipes in case if there is any stain, anything. If you just want to clean your feet, you can easily get your wet wipes and clean your feet. Okay? So that is it, guys, for today's video. Let me know if you learned a thing or two from this video. What is your go-to scent or products that you swear by? Please, I would like to know in the comments. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe for more practical real life beauty and hygiene tips. So see you in my next video. Bye.